Jim, it's a Memorial weekend. You know, the market has been fairly quiet on volume all week. A lot of people always wonder, how should you trade on the Friday before a holiday weekend? Most people, you know, a lot of the books,
Right.
a lot of the players out there, they pretty much get out of the market for a 3-day weekend. But, you know,
Right.
if you're a day trader and if you're an individual trading, what's your philosophy?
Well, the tone has shifted from believing that no matter what happens in Europe, they won't agree to anything, to they have to agree to something, which means that the shorts are more likely to cover than the longs bail. So the pattern may not prevail. Plus, remember, the longs want to be able to mark up things, but they're afraid to mark things up next week because it's too close to the month end. So I think that the propensity will be to see the kind of rally we had yesterday, that, you know, blitzkrieg.
Okay.
And so I want very much for people to understand, this is really important, that the equation seems to have changed to be back in Hopeville, which is interesting because the FXE is bad, the Euro's bad.
When we looked at durable goods,
right.
they weren't great, and unemployment wasn't great.
But I think the people who have been short and have been selling have been right, and I think they like to lock in profits. So, and sometimes you have up days at the beginning of summer. You know, people talk about a summer rally. May coming to a conclusion is clearly good because May's been such a bad month.
Right.
But I'm more sanguine about the day before this time. Just
Are you
simply
kind of
because
warning
what I
people,
saw.
though, that if there is a good show tomorrow, or if there is a good show on Friday, that watch out because it may just be the shorts covering?
Yes, that's a good call. That's a nice distillation of what I'm saying.
Okay, thanks, Jim.
Thank you, Deborah. This market is
Stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're getting